2 things to demand from your roofing contractor. Number 1, workmanship and quality. Your next roof should be your last roof. A metal roof is designed to last a lifetime. When considering a roofing contractor, ask to see a portfolio of their work. Ask about the manufacturers they recommend and any warranties that may be available. Lianro Metal Roofs sells and installs roofing systems that are non-combustible. They will not burn. We offer roofing systems with a 50-year warranty, a hail penetration warranty, and a wind warranty up to 120 miles per hour. Number 2, professionalism and service. Roofing companies must have a license, be bonded, and have workers' comp and liability insurance to work on your roof. At Lianro, our installers are our employees. Our crew leaders have decades of experience and are personally trained by the owners. Ask your roofing contractor about their years of experience, how their team is organized, and who you will be in direct communication with for the life of your project. Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.